get together at 3 o'clock in the morning and have fun and music and nothing but fun and music, and we God bless you for it. My job here is really minor. The center of attention is Phil and the Handler. We're going to get to that really here very shortly. I have in my hand a cane that's been passed down to me for more than 100 years that Phil himself whittled with his teeth. With this cane, I hold it in my hand and I can speak groundhogese, which is wiggles and nose movements, and we'll try to figure out whether I'm correct in interpreting it, because as we all know, Phil is always right. There are people here from around the world: London, Switzerland, Germany, Russia. Every country in the world is almost represented. And every state in the United States of America is here. I can guarantee you that. So what I want to do is I want you to give a toast to the world, because you're on TV right now and around the world streaming. And our toast is going to be this. We, repeat after me, we love Phil.
We love Phil. We love Phil. We love Phil. We love Phil. We love Phil.
And the rest of the toast is this. May we all live long. Like Phil. All right, let's get him out. One more. Give me the chant.